Should I use school email account when creating accounts on games? And if I do, will my school admin see? Will there be any risk with regard to security and privacy? It would be better to create my own personal email account, which I can log into games, create accounts on it, and have fun with my email. I'll open Google. Then I'll go to Gmail. Gmail.com. And now I'll click on create account. I'm using this for my personal use. My first name is Suhana and my last name is Shik. So now I'll click next. And I'll enter my birthday. December. Date is 3rd and year is 2019. Gender is a female. So next, I'll choose a username for my account. I'll type Suhana's email is a better. Okay, now click next. Oh, this username is already taken. Let's try Suhana Sheikh's email. Yes. Okay, now we have to choose a password. But they said to create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So I'll go to strong password generator. I'll click on the first one here. And now, well, let's generate. It has to be very strong. So as you can see here, the setting is all very strong. So let's generate. Okay, this one is a good one. Oh, but it's too hard for me to remember all the symbols. So I'll just. Oh, now copy this one. Click on it, and now it has been copied. So now I have got an idea of how password should be, and now I will go to Gmail. I'll use these letters, and I'll add my own letters too. And now I'm going to deliver password. Now let's click on next. Here your parents' phone number has to be entered. So they get a verification code through SMS on their phone. And they can enter the code back in here. Now these steps are for parents. They need to enter the email address and need to go through the instructions and acknowledge. And now click on I agree. This is one of the procedures by Google to ensure that this activity is done by the parent. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your accounts by requiring a second form of verification beyond just a password. It helps prevent unauthorized access, protects against hacking and data breaches, and enhances privacy and identity protection. What parents can manage. Until Suhana reaches 13 or applicable age in your country and decides to manage her account on her own, you can do things like update your child's account info and some settings, delete her account, manage her activity controls, and now let's click on next. You receive an email with more information about Suhana's new account. Continue. Okay, now I've created an account. Now let's log into my account. Now I have to enter my password. And this is my first account, my first personal account. I usually use my school account, but now I have my personal account. So I got my first email from Google One. This is the interface where you see so many elements, navigation bar and Google applications. If you click on compose, you can create an email and click on send. Once you are done with your work, don't forget to log out from your account. The email account which you have used on this browser is saved for ease of access. But if this computer belongs to somebody else, you can remove the account and it will no longer be saved in the browser. But I want my email ID to be saved in my computer, so I leave it